I know many of you are, many of you want to speak in this book club, but somewhere I discourage you a bit the moment I see that you have not prepared, you have not got it reviewed. There is a reason behind it. So we all can speak. No one is here who cannot speak, right? But idea of this book club, this forum is to take you to a level where you don't even know how better you can speak, right? Somewhere if you think about yourself, you know that that potential is inside us, but the moment we open our mouth, it doesn't come out. That potential doesn't come out, right? So how to have that balance, that whatever I'm thinking, I should be able to speak exactly in the same manner, right? And that's where the whole process helps. So if you have notepad pen, please note that down. You can note that down on a laptop. Let's be clear on the steps that are there, which how to deliver speech in PIM and book club, right? So the first part is how, let's make it again interactive. I want you it's very important. If you're interactive, I will be able to know some more thoughts. Yeah. So the first thing is, do you know how is the process, how the process starts when we talk about speech? What is the first step that you guys do? When you prepare for people who are giving speeches today, we had almost 9 speakers speaking, right? So what is the first process of preparing your speech in this book club? Anyone can answer to this? I'm sure it's a
Uh, we make some points, whatever is our understanding,
very
or key factors to explain that particular topic or particular chapter. So we
very
just write down, jot down those key points.
right. There's one step ahead also. Who want to yeah, you are at a second step, Vartika, when you start
Yeah,
writing.
the first step,
Introduction.
Yeah, Dilip.
first step we have to strict the recommended 5 books which we have.
Exactly.
Second steps, we have to uh, prepare the speech of a specialized topic from that 5 books only.
Exactly.
And till Wednesday, we are sitting here on Sunday. So
Yeah, we'll come to
Wednesday,
that. Let's come to that. I don't
okay, okay.
you know everything I know. Let's stop here. Let's absorb this, because I know there are few people like Dheeraj, Ashish, Ashish Chauhan, Ashish Khatri, Vartika. Many people know it, but I would want that everyone should be aware. How is it? That's where you will be able to actually realize the real potential of what we are doing here. Until unless you uh, become part of this whole journey the way we are doing, you will not be able to go to the next level, right? So exactly, the first step is going through those 5 books, and 5 books, maybe the critical are 4 books. How to win friends and influence people, I recommend only for few people where it is needed, right? The focus is on 4 books. Are we aware of those 4 books we discussed today? First book is
Rich Dad Poor Dad.
Rich Dad Poor Dad. Second book,
Think and Grow Rich.
Think and Grow Rich. Third book,
To say. What to say when you talk to yourself.
what to say when you talk to yourself, right? And fifth book is how to win friends and influence people.
Magic of
These 4 books are core books, and now the question is, I know the books. Next question is, do I need to read complete books? For example, if I read this book, Think and Grow Rich, there are so many chapters in that book, right? Do I need to finish all those chapters? Do you know how many
Nope.
chapters are in Think and Grow Rich?
I don't think
I don't think so.
I don't think so. Yeah.
Okay. Almost, I think 15, 17 chapters are there, right? And we just suggest to read only 5 chapters. Again, this is recommended by someone like Vijay, who has gone through thousands of books, right? And that's where we have, and even this book only, I myself have gone through at least 20, 25 times. So Vijay might have gone at least 100 times through this book. So we know what is the core of this book. If you go, because understand the objective of this whole club is your personal growth, right? Your personal development, right? So we don't want you to spend your 6 months reading just one book. We know which are the crux of the book. Just go through that and you will get an idea what exactly author is talking about, right? So when it comes to Think and Grow Rich, there are only 5 books that are recommended. Only 5 chapters are recommended. You can see I will not go into that details because it will take lots of time. We have limited time, but all the 4 books, all the 5 books rather, there are certain syllabus that we have chosen for you, right? So you just have to go through that. But how will you go through that? So now you know that there are 5 books that you have to go through. Now, how will you decide which book to start? Any ideas?
Coach is there, na?
Exactly. So that's very critical. You have to be in touch with your coach. The way I used to do it, even before starting to read anything, I used to call Vijay. I used to call him and ask him, Vijay, what should I read? This is what my thought process is going on, and which book is going to help me out, right? Sometimes he might recommend something beyond these 4-5 books also, which you can learn and prepare separately. But we don't recommend to bring it in this book club because we have a very fixed, because there are people from different background. We want them to focus on few things initially. Then on level 2, they can go to different books. But he can certainly, yesterday in the PIM session, if you were there, he recommended so many other books, right? Many Lives, Many Master, right? Then he suggested some John Maxwell books. So that can come only from your coach, right? So first thing is, please discuss with the coach. This is what my plan is for this week. I'm going to read Think and Grow Rich. Do you think, is that okay? And that's where he will tell you, yeah, Think and Grow Rich, read, and only these 5 chapters you have to read. I've seen people are reading from completely different chapters. Again, they will not be able to understand the whole gist of what we are trying to explain you here, right? That is again your free will. You want to read, you read. But again, we don't recommend. But if you want to read, that's okay. That's okay. But if you're coming to this book club, then please speak only through those 5 books only, right? So that's how the first step is. I'll say the first step is discuss with your coach what is that you want to read this week. Plan your reading, right, with your coach. Once you have planned that off, the second step will be, let's say your coach, maybe Ashish, or maybe whosoever is your coach, he tells you to read Think and Grow Rich. He will tell you to finish, let's say 2 or 3 chapter. Again, don't be bound to that. What I'll suggest is, try to read the way I used to do, and I recommend that, try to read all 5 books. Can you read all 5 books in 1 week?
Yeah.
Can you read all 5 books in 1 week? No, right?
Yes, sir.
You don't have to read all 5 books, all 5 chapters, basically complete chapters of all 5 books. Coach will again help you to read 1 or 2 chapter from each books. So we humans, the problem is we are not that, we get bored very easily, right? If you just go through 1 book, for example, if you start reading Magic of Thinking Big, after 3-4 chapters, you will see that somewhere you are getting bored, right? Because we are not used to reading books most of the time, right? And that's where it's very important. Just read 1 or 2 chapter, discuss with your coach, read 1 or 2 chapter from 1 book. Next day, read 1 or 2 chapter from other book. Every 5 days, you can change the books. So that way you will have subject knowledge of, you remember in class, in school, if they will teach you only chemistry for the whole day in college, that would have been kitna boring ho jata hai yaar. It would have been so boring, right? Only chemistry, only English. Yeah, if somebody is really passionate about English like Pavani, then it's a different story. But if it is not, then it's difficult, right?
I would still get bored. So that's another thing altogether.
Exactly. So in the same manner, somewhere you should switch the books. That way you will be surprised, your pace of reading will increase, because you will start enjoying it. Something that you start enjoying, you will see that your pace automatically increases, right? So one thing is, don't stick to just 1 book. Try to read 4-5 books in parallel. Okay, this was the first thing, right? Now what will be the next step? By Wednesday, you should plan this out on Sunday evening or maximum Monday, right? By Wednesday, Thursday, you should have read at least 3-4 chapters from 2 or 3 books, right? And then you go and write down summary of, again, how do you, the idea of this book club is not to just read book, right? Idea is to imbibe those things in us so that we can grow in our personal development, right? So I've seen many people, they have read they suddenly tell me, sir, I finished my whole book. And when I ask any one thing from that 1 chapter, it's hard to explain that, right? So that's a problem. So again, the moment you complete your 1 chapter, again, try to take time from your coach. So this is what I have understood, is that, okay, if you want, send a summary of that chapter. And again, I will recommend you, don't just write on the notepad. I know many people like to write that physically in the notepad. It's okay if you want to do that, but store it somewhere on notepad, OneNote or Evernote, so that let's say tomorrow somebody asks you to speak on this particular topic, you should be able to retrieve it back very quickly. You're not going to store your diaries for whole amount of years, right? Maybe it will be there for 1 year or 2 year, but that OneNote, Evernote will be there with you all the time. Even if you're writing, if you like to write, then take a snapshot and put it in your OneNote. But again, when you're sending it to coach, it's very important, send it in a text mode so that he can edit it, right? If you ask Akansha, Vartika, right? Even today, when they sent me in edit mode, I was able to do many edits in that and see this. These are the things that I've done the changes. You can go through, and that's where they improve their speech a bit. But some people send a screenshot. Again, how to do that, right? एक तो उसको पढ़ना is so difficult. I have to turn my mobile like this. I have to open it on my laptop, right? And then how to edit it, right? So generally I say, oh yeah, it's okay, go ahead. And then I see the output. So it generally is output is not that good if I don't go through that book, through that speech, right? So send, if it's not only me, whosoever you're sending, whosoever your coach is, please send him in the text mode, right? Even if you're taking screenshot, that's okay for you, but you have to write it down anyhow, right? Only then he'll be able to give you a speech which he can edit himself and then send it back to you, right? This will be the next step. Again, any questions on this, why we are doing it? Some people don't even write the script. They just want to deliver the speech. They have read the book, sir, I will now deliver it. So it's not easy, right? You'll be surprised that anyone who is into public speaking, he prepares his script. He takes good amount of time in preparing that speech. Even Narendra Modi, he might be looking very natural, right? You'll be surprised amount of time he might be putting just to curate his speech, right? So to become natural speaker, it takes even more practice. It takes even more practice to write that script, right? Nobody is a impromptu speaker. Yeah, of course, sometimes you can speak if you are well read. If you're speaking all the time, then somewhere you will be able to speak, but you will not be able to make the best impact that you want to make, right? If you want to really make your top impact, then you have to prepare a lot. So script is somewhere you will start putting your thoughts very clearly. Though summary is going to help you to create your script. Yeah. Okay. So two things. One, I said, don't connect your speech with your speech. First is just learn. First step is discuss with your coach and start learning from the book and write down that summary. It's not for speech, it's for your learnings, right? So that you remember and imbibe. Okay, these are good things I heard from read from Desire chapter. These are the things that I read from other chapter. Those are your learnings. Now you share that summary with your coach and then ask him what speech I can speak out of this. He will help you out to create a speech out of that, and then that becomes you will see that there are a couple of iterations even there. Even today, when I go to any Toastmasters club or anything, and I have mentors, when I have to speak, when I get it reviewed either by Brajesh or Vijay, I do at least 4 or 5 iterations of just the speech, right? So that they are sure that yeah, I have added much more things which is beyond I can even think, right? And you will see similar when you talk with your coach. They have that exposure, they have that experience, they can help you out, right? So first thing is finalize your script by Thursday maximum, Wednesday to Thursday, and then Thursday you start preparing on that speech, right? How do you start? How do you prepare? Anyone else? Anyone want to? Till here, I hope everyone is clear. First step is write your script. Without that, no point. You will never, trust me, it's hard to improve then. If you're not able to first write down your thoughts properly, add some elements to it, add some rhetoric devices to it, add some things which can make impact, some quotes. You see Ashish has added some such a great thought at the start. He will end in such a great manner, Ashish Khatri, right? The reason is he gets it reviewed very early, and I think I get late, he will send me the speech by Tuesday itself, and sometimes I know that he always writes a good speech. Sometimes I reply him by Thursday or Friday because I know he will manage. But for people who are new, I try to send them on the same day, right? So who want to share their experience? What do you do after the script is reviewed? What is the next step? Anyone want to
Go
say?
live on
Yeah.
Facebook after getting reviewed.
Yeah, create a video. Create a video, and either you go live.
Upload practice video.
Yeah, and don't send your first practice video, right? Yeah, so don't send your first practice video. Practice at least 10 12 times, and then you see. Best critic is yourself. So for my speech, I can, the way I can criticize myself, no one else can dare to, right? So same is with you. Even if he's your close, he will not criticize you too much, right? He will say, oh, yeah, you can improve this and that. But if you do a kind of self-assessment, you can change so many things. So the way I do, when my speech is ready, I'll record it, and then I'll think him like, now he's Ashish Chauhan, now he's Anchit, now someone else. I am not think that he's Vineet. So basically, I'll try to review him from a third party view, right? And I'll see, okay, no, this guy is not making impact. So even though he's Vineet only, I'll say, no, this guy is not able to make impact. So you'll have to review that for yourself, right? Moment you are happy with your speech, then you send that speech to your coach, right? Either you send it if you are not comfortable, or you can directly upload on Facebook, whatever works for you, right? And coach will discuss with you. If you're okay, we can upload it on Facebook also after some edit or something, right? And that's where people come and finally deliver speech. So see, so many steps are there, and some people want to cut down all the steps. Can I directly speak, right? It is not going to help you out, right? When you go through this whole process, then you will see, and you can hear from so many people. Maybe we can take couple of Vartika has started recently, and he spoke for 3-4 weeks. Vartika, how was your experience when you're going through all these steps?
Very nice, and very helpful, because definitely, as I am a starter here, so I get lots of review comments also. So it enhances my speech a lot. The ordering of speech or the content of speech. So that moderation helps.
Very nice. So publicly, no one will give you review, but one-to-one, when you start discussing, then your coach will also give you good amount of reviews, right?